Shatta Wale, lifestyle and net worth. Early life and background. Shatta Wale, born Charles Ni Armah Mensah Jr. on October 17, 1984, in Accra, Ghana, is one of Africa's most influential dancehall artists. He grew up in a modest home and attended Winneba Secondary School. His passion for music started early, drawing inspiration from Jamaican reggae and dancehall legends. Initially performing under the name Bandana, he later rebranded as Shatta Wale, marking his transformation into a global music force. His breakout came in 2013 with the hit single Dancehall King, which catapulted him into stardom. Since then, he has consistently released chart-topping hits, becoming a household name not just in Ghana but across Africa and the global dancehall scene. Shatta Wale is known for his flamboyant and extravagant lifestyle. His public persona is defined by luxury, confidence, and boldness. He frequently showcases his wealth on social media, including luxury cars, designer clothes, and lavish mansions. His taste for opulence is evident in his music videos and public appearances, where he often emphasizes success and wealth. Despite his flashy lifestyle, Shatta Wale maintains a strong connection to his roots. He often uses his platform to empower Ghanaian youth, encouraging them to pursue their dreams fearlessly. His music, while celebratory, often reflects personal struggles and his rise from humble beginnings. His love life has also attracted significant media attention. He was previously in a high-profile relationship with Shatta Mishi, with whom he shares a son. While their relationship ended publicly, they continue to co-parent amicably. Shatta Wale is also deeply spiritual and frequently speaks about his belief in God, often crediting his success to divine favor. His Rastafarian influences are evident in his music and personal philosophies, which emphasize self-empowerment and resilience. Music career. Shatta Wale is widely credited for reviving the Ghanaian dancehall scene. His return as Shatta Wale after his earlier break from the industry saw him reinvent his sound and image, blending Jamaican dancehall influences with Ghanaian hip-life elements. His discography includes numerous hits such as My Level, Gringo, Ayu, and Melissa. He has also collaborated with international stars, including Beyoncé on the track Already from her The Lion King, The Gift album, which further elevated his global profile. Shatta Wale has won multiple awards, including several Vodafone Ghana Music Awards, VGMA, and International Reggae and World Music Awards, Armah. His influence extends beyond music, as he has also ventured into acting, starring in the movie The Trial of Shatta Wale. As of 2024, Shatta Wale's net worth is estimated to be around $11 million. His income streams are diverse, including music sales, streaming royalties, live performances, brand endorsements, and business ventures. He owns a fleet of luxury cars, including a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, and Range Rover, and multiple properties in Ghana. His entrepreneurial ventures include his own music label, Shatta Movement Empire, and partnerships in the fashion and real estate sectors. Legacy and influence. Shatta Wale has cemented his status as one of Africa's leading dancehall artists. His journey from humble beginnings to wealth and fame serves as an inspiration for many aspiring artists. Beyond his music, he continues to influence African pop culture, using his platform to advocate for creativity, self-belief, and financial independence. His bold personality and relentless work ethic ensure his legacy will continue to impact the global music scene for years to come.